Happy morning, my dears.
Welcome to the class. With the hope that all are doing great,
Let's start our English class. Today, we are going to discuss the things that help us to prepare a good report on a particular topic.
the first and the foremost thing is think of a good title. Write it correctly.
So, at first, you have to write an apt or suitable title to the report. Then, you can start writing about the topic.
The second point is keep to your subject.
You have to keep the subject throughout the report.
Or, in other words, you should write things related to the topic only, should not move away from the topic. The third point is tell things in the right order.
The things that you want to convey through the report should be in the right order. It will give a flow or continuation to the report. After all, pay attention to keep your paper look neat. Okay, here I'll show you a video on the making of a paper bag. After that, we can try to write a report on the same. Okay?
For doing this, we need sheets of newspaper, a piece of hardboard for base. You can even use cover of books. Then gum, ballpoint pen to make holes on the bag. Then 2 pieces of small ropes for using them as straps. Now the report. The title is Our Own Paper Bags. We made paper bags with all newspapers. We should use paper bags instead of plastic bags because they are eco-friendly and cost-effective. At first, we kept the newspaper sheets spread and applied gum to paste the two sheets of paper together. After that, we folded the long sheet of paper horizontally and pasted both the ends. Then kept the thing for getting dry. After that, inserted the piece of cardboard after leaving some space for sealing the base in a triangular shape. Then pasted that part well with the gum. After that, we made folding on both the sides. Then made holes on the back with a ballpoint pen for passing the straps. Kept knot on both the end of straps to prevent it from coming out easily.
Now, in the case of ice cream, if you are asked to prepare a report on ice cream, you can give attention to the following. The first point is start with a short introduction which contains the topic. Here the topic is ice cream. The second point is then list the ice cream brands available in your area. So here you need to mention the names of or the brands of ice creams which are available in your area. The third point is next say which are the common flavors of ice cream in each of the brands. Already you have listed out the main brands of ice creams. From each brand you can find out many flavors of ice cream. So here you need to mention that also. The fourth point is under each brand find out which flavors are being sold the most. Also find out their prices. Here you need to mention the popular flavored ice cream under a particular brand, and also I have to mention the price, how much that particular flavor of ice cream costs. And finally, write which do you think is the most popular ice cream. Here you can mention why do you think a particular brand of ice cream is
The most popular.
The next activity is about some of the exciting and enjoyable activities that one can do in the summer season and in the winter season. One activity which one would like to do in summer season is given as having an ice cream on a hot summer day is exciting and enjoyable. So in summer season you can do some other activities like enjoying a picnic with family. Swimming in a pond is enjoyable. Then watching TV in an air-conditioned room is enjoyable or comfortable in summer season. Then about winter season, snuggling on bed under blanket is so comfortable in winter season. You know what is snuggling?
Snuggling means holding one another. Next is
taking rest near hearth.
hearth means the fireplace.
Having hot tea on a winter day is exciting and enjoyable.
Taking bath in lukewarm water is also enjoyable. Lukewarm water means the water which is neither too hot nor too cold. Now about describing words. Describing words are those words which describe either a noun or an action. The word which describes a noun is called an adjective. In this activity, sight is described as joyful, cart is described as little, and umbrella is described as round. In the next one, mounds is described as that of cooling brown and white. Then flavor is described as vanilla, chocolate and strawberry, and cluster, the word cluster is described as that of children. Children, with this activity we can wind up today's class. Have a great day. Bye.